guys, it's been Ray Scratch Coding One. So today I have shared the full window so you could see from the clip. You could see my recordings on my system or something. So today I I am gonna make a game in only wait. I'm just restart this in only 3 minutes. Okay, just 3 minutes. But if you want to host many challenges, you have to go to my channel to watch many challenges, tutorials, or something. So let's start this timer here. This timer, yeah, timer. Okay, now I'm going to start. I'm really nervous right now. Go! Go, click. Not there. This procession. Go. Not the hell. Get. Okay. Now for if then that's all. Oh my goodness. I'm right now. But I'm right now. Ah! This project is now down. Oh my goodness. It's already. Ah! I didn't say you to ask comments. Duplicate. Da- 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 duplicate. Okay. Okay, it's great. Next question. Next question. Question. 1 minute. Now I need a background for it to look great. Oh no! Oh no! It's running out. I'm running out of time. Uh, now the remaining time will be the testing. Woo! It's too funny. Scratch cat is walking. It's walking. So if you like my tutorial, subscribe, share, and like, and don't forget to buy my books at Brave Books if you want to buy my books. So I'm in my recording system, and you could see my channel and my scratch cards are open. Okay, now this is my Brave Books account. This is my Brave Books account, and you have to buy this book, all the books to buy, and also smash that subscribe button because I don't have subscribe button. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording.